Hello and welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2025 semester. I'm Cassie Van. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thank you for joining us. Students in line for some pasta in Champlain Hall might not think their next bite has anything to do with global sustainability, but there is a connection. A worldwide food industry cooperation now has a presence right here on the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Barilla Pasta is partnering with Cobleskill Auxiliary Services, or CAS, to bring a new pasta bar option to Champlain Hall diners. CAS Executive Director Kevin D'Onofrio says that sourcing pasta from the Barilla company means shorter shipping distances because there are company factories in Western New York, not far from campus. That saves money and resources. D'Onofrio also says that using a better quality product might mean more costs up front, but it also means less waste down the line. Barilla Chief Executive Chef Lorenzo Boni discussed these points and more at the event, along with adding some in-person cooking demonstrations. D'Onofrio says that while some improvements have already been made to the pasta bar in the Champlain Dining Hall, more significant changes are planned soon. The Cobleskill Family Weekend and Homecoming event recently welcomed hundreds of people to campus every year. It's an opportunity for the college to showcase what the campus has to offer, to highlight academic programs, and to just offer another opportunity for community engagement beyond the campus. One of those opportunities returned this year, a car show that features the rides of campus and community members. The Coby Cruise, an event, invites auto enthusiasts to show off their rides, all for a good cause. The entry fee? Just one canned food item per car. More than 50 donations were collected and being donated to the Schoharie County Community Action Program, a local nonprofit that helps individuals and families in need. There are programs like emergency food assistance, housing support, and education services. Along with the car show, the annual homecoming event also offers campus tours, food trucks, live music, and athletic contents, and dozens of other events across campus. The Coby Cruise, an event, is an effort of the Campus Engagement Board. The Share Shop has officially reopened. The Share Shop is a free thrift-style exchange operation located in Lower Brickyard Point and is operated by the SUNY Cobleskill Office of Sustainability. This operation provides the campus community with a space to donate, pick up gently used items, clothing, and decorations. The reopening of the Share Shop marks a continued commitment of waste reduction, resourcefulness, and community support, all of which promote the campus commitment to environmental responsibility. The Share Shop operates Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Fall Open House is set for October 25th here at SUNY Cobleskill. SUNY Cobleskill admission counselors and ambassadors will be speaking with friends and families attending the sessions about campus activities and community engagement. Open House is an opportunity for potential students to explore different majors and minors that SUNY Cobleskill has to offer. Admissions is also offering academic and club fairs. Students and chaperones are encouraged to mingle with faculty and staff over lunch in Champlain Dining Hall. Admission ambassadors will be taking students and chaperones on and off campus, giving them the chance to see not only the campus, but the village of Cobleskill as well. If you're unable to attend the first open house on October 25th, campus admissions will be hosting a second open house session on November 15th at 11 o'clock a.m. To find out more about open house or to sign up for fall open house, go to www.cobleskill.edu/open-house and register now. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the news production faculties here on SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing you right now here on Coby News. Your support helps us learn more about becoming media professionals who can serve you in the communication and agricultural communication programs offered here at SUNY Cobleskill. Welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Cassie Van.
And I'm Hannah Bonskowski for SUNY Coby Weather. Well, Cassie, it looks nice outside, but it's really not.
Really chilly.
I
had to bring my jacket
today.
out.
Well, unfortunately, there's nothing to look forward to this week, but let's take a look at our current conditions. Currently, you can expect some sun. It's 47 degrees. There's going to be a freeze warning tonight, so I'm not sure if you guys have any plans left. If you do, maybe it'd be a good time to cover them or bring them inside if you're going to winter them. And then looking forward to tonight, you can expect 51 degrees. It's going to be pretty cold. Again, that freeze warning, so extra blankets. Maybe it's time to bust out the heated blankets. I know I will be bringing back mine when I come back from fall break. Tomorrow, you can expect a little bit warmer. It's going to be 59. There's going to be some sun. I know I like the sun, but it's not going to be as warm as I would like it to be. We're finally hitting that transition into the colder fall weather. Saturday, you can expect 63 degrees. It's going to be partly cloudy. That sun is about to go away for a very long time, so take it in while you can. It's going to feel warmer than it actually is outside. And then we have Sunday, and I hate to break it to everyone. This is where it all goes downhill. It's going to be 55, it's going to rain, there's going to be some wind chill, and about noon, it's going to rain a lot, and it's just not going to stop. And then looking forward to Monday, you guessed it, it's going to keep raining. There's a 95% chance of rain. So umbrellas, raincoats, anything you got, just stay out of the rain. Now it's time to take a look at our extended outlook. On Tuesday, you can expect a high of 58 and a low of 49, and of course it's going to rain. And then Wednesday, same exact temperatures, which is kind of crazy, but it's going to rain again. Thursday, high of 51, low of 44, and you guessed it, rain again. Friday, high of 56, low of 42. Man, the weather just keeps repeating itself. It's going to rain again. Saturday, a high of 53 and a low of 41. It's going to rain.
Thank you, Hannah, for that weather update. We'll be back with details on upcoming campus events and more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
When I was in foster care, I never knew when I would have to move. So I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day, I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
Today I'm going to talk to you about physics. Come on in, girls. Let's go. This is the first rocket to get humans to Mars. Really tall. I'm a rocket structural engineer designing and building parts of the rocket. You are the generation that will be stepping foot on Mars. Do I have a group of astronauts on my hands? Yes. You can become a rocket scientist or whatever else you want to be.
Hello and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Cassie Van. Thank you for joining us. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at these events coming up this week. If you're looking for someone to talk to or assistance in problem solving and confidence building, stop by room 204A in the Unity Center. today, October 9th, from 6 to 8 p.m. and meet with peer support specialist Shannon. October bus break departs tomorrow, Friday, October 10th. The October break bus to Bryant Park, New York City leaves Knapp Circle at 3 p.m. and will return on Thursday, October 14th at 5 p.m. On October 14th, the Office of Student Leadership will be hosting a 2-hour interactive workshop aimed at deepening the understanding and support of the LGBTQ community. This workshop will be held from 2 to 4 p.m. at the Office of Student Leadership. Visit Lower Brickyard Point for a paint and switch going on from 7 to 9 p.m. on October 15th. For more information about events on campus, check out Coby Engage and download the Quark app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News from SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Cassie Van. We will be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News, coming to you from right here in the studio production, located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs, along with the new agriculture communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. You can also find us on social media. Follow SUNY Coby.com on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm Cassie Van for all here in the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs. Thank you for joining us. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News.